Welcome to SweepSheet. Why are saving and managing sweeps so important? This morning I went to Google and searched for sweepstakes. This search returned over 167 million results. 167 million is an incredible number of anything. Well, unless it's money or gummy bears. But anyway, at SweepSheet, we are focused on finding the best sweepstakes for you so you don't have to wade through an unmanageable number of opportunities. In addition to finding them for you, we provide the tools to help you effectively and efficiently manage them. And in this video, we're going to show you exactly how to do that. As you can see, we've logged into SweepSheet. We are going to begin by going to the Resources section and specifically the Your List of Sweeps feature. Now, as you can see here, I don't have any sweepstakes lists or any sweepstakes saved at all. Our demonstration account is clearly not taking advantage of one of the most useful features on the site. And in this tutorial, we're going to show you how to fix this. Now, everyone has different types of sweeps they're focused on winning. And what we're going to show you here will help you manage your sweepstakes, regardless of where you're looking for them on the site or what you're interested in winning. Now let's begin by finding some sweeps, and then from there, we'll build our list. To start, we're going to start in the Fresh Sweeps section. And the reason we're going to do this is because it is the latest and greatest on the site. Now, if you're interested in more information on Fresh Sweeps, please check out our other video. We'll link to that in the notes below. Now, on the Fresh Sweeps page, you'll notice a new icon right here. This icon indicates that I've not looked at this particular sweeps yet. Now, you can see all of the sweeps that have been added to the site today, and if you scroll down, you'll see all of them that have been added in other days. And again, these are new, I haven't seen them, and they're all sorted by day across all different types of topics. Now, let's take a look and see if there's something I'd like to win. I can see right here there's a trip to Hawaii. Now, I haven't been to Hawaii in a number of years, so this looks pretty good. Now, let's take a look at it. And as you can see, this is a limit of one entry per person per email per day. So it's a daily sweep. Now, I want to save this to a list for daily sweeps, so I remember to enter it daily. I don't want to forget about this. Going to Hawaii sounds pretty nice, especially as winter starts to come here in Chicago. So I'm going to go and I'm going to add this to your list. You'll notice there's a number of variables here that you can enter. To begin, we're going to give this category a name, and we're going to say daily sweeps for this one. Now, I have a couple other options. I can also select to keep this sweep after it ends, meaning it will stay in my list. I can add any notes about it, anything that might make sense or something that I want to remember about this particular sweeps. Nothing I need to do here, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add it to my list. Now, you'll see there's a notification right here that says I can remove it from my list, so the list has been created. Now, before we go back and look at the lists, let's go find another sweep to add. Well, let's stay in Fresh Sweeps again, just for the sake of it. And let's go here to TA Operating Driver Appreciation Sweeps. Now, this is an instant win, one entry per day, but I don't really want this per day. I want this to be in the instant win. So what I'm going to go do is I'm going to create an instant win list. And you'll see now I can select an existing category. So I can say this goes in my daily sweeps, the list I just created. Or I can go in and say, you know what, I need a different list. I want this to be an instant wins. Again, I can keep after they end. I can add any comments I want. I can add that to the list. And you'll see here now, it's also on a list. Now, what's really unique about these lists is you have the ability to manually add sweepstakes as well. So let's go over to our list of sweeps, and you'll see here now I have my daily and my instant win sweeps that are available. Again, very simple tutorial, but you can start to see how this works, how you can organize your sweeps and access them as necessary, whether they're daily, whether they're instant win. But I can also manually add a sweepstakes. So let's go and find something to manually add. And for that, we're going to go back to our sweepstakes listings. And we're going to go down here to a feature for sports teams sweeps. And because it's football season, I'm going to highlight the Green Bay Packers. And we're going to open this window. Now, the reason why I chose the Packers is they are always giving away things. They have 1 million sweepstakes, probably more than any other team in the NFL, possibly more than any other pro sports team. So this is their fall gear sweepstakes. Win a $500 Duluth Trading Co. company and a sweatshirt of your choice. Rules, everything here. Now, this can be entered on the site, but I can also enter daily. So what I want to do is I want to take this particular sweep and I'm going to copy the URL and I'm going to go back to my list. This is a daily sweep, so I'm going to manually add my sweepstake. It's going to add it to my daily. I'm going to say this is the Packers fall year sweeps. It ends on the 27th of this month. The sweepstakes description is right here. And what I'm going to do is make sure that I display that as a link, but I want it to open in a new window so it keeps me where I am on the SweepSheet site. So I want to make sure that's checked. And I just used the link button to do that. And then I'm going to add it to my list. You'll notice now it's added to the list. And if I select that, it's going to take me here, any notes that I added, and I can go access the sweeps. Again, the list of sweeps and the way that this works is completely unique to you. You can categorize your sweeps any way that you want, and you can create as many different types of lists as you want. One other really unique feature here is you can go to remove expired sweeps. And when you click on this, it will prompt you to say, are you sure you want to delete them? And you can say yes. And any sweeps that have expired will be automatically removed from your list. Now, I don't have anything expiring or anything that is expired, so it hasn't removed anything. But this is a great feature if you don't have that automatically remove after it ends box checked. Now, the list saving and management features we've highlighted in this video are designed to help you be as efficient and effective as possible when you're focusing on sweeps that you can enter multiple times. As you know, some sweeps are limited to one time only, and for those, saving and lists aren't really going to be necessary. But when you can enter multiple times, you can enter daily, weekly, monthly, a category like instant wins that you want to burn through really quickly as you're working on them each day, this is a great way to help you stay organized. Now, if you're curious how other members use the list or sweeps management features, head over to Conversation Corner and look specifically at the sweepstakes, tips, and shortcuts discussion. In fact, let's go over here, and it's right there. There are a number of conversations that exist in this thread to help you gain tips, learn about different ways that people are using the site, and specifically that feature functionality. As always, if you have any questions, let us know, and if not, good luck.